How to find the level of output where marginal cost is equal to average cost? The question is, the average cost function is given as average cost is equal to 1 upon 3x square minus 10x plus 9x denotes the output. We need to find out the level of output at which average cost is equal to marginal cost. Okay, so there are two ways in solving this question. First, let us say what we are being given. We are being given the average cost function is average cost is equal to 1 upon 3 x square minus 10x plus 9. Okay, this is our average cost function. If I draw the graph, and you know it pretty well, graphically, if we have output on the horizontal axis and average cost, marginal cost, all stuff on the vertical axis, our average cost function looks like this. Let us say this is our average cost function. Okay, and this is being given here, and we have a marginal cost function. Let us say this is the marginal cost function. We know that, okay, a marginal cost curve cuts the average cost curve at its minimum. Okay, so marginal cost function cuts the average cost function at its minimum. Okay, we can find out. I'm just giving you the first way of solving this question. So when we know that marginal cost curve cuts average cost function, average cost curve, okay, average cost curve at its minimum point. Okay, we know this from the firm's perspective. That means we need to find out the minimum of AC. Okay, minimum of AC. The minimum point on AC means we need to find out the point on average cost where its slope is equal to 0. That means we need to find out the derivative of average cost function with respect to output and set it equal to 0. Okay, so minimum point on AC is a point where the slope of average cost is equal to 0. Average cost function is being given us. Its derivative will be, derivative of x square will be 2x, so we will get 2 upon 3 x minus derivative of x is 1, so we are left with 10, and it should be equal to 0, which implies 2 upon 3 x should be equal to, transposing this which is equal to 10, which implies 2 upon 3, rather let's write it in this fashion. X will be equal to 10. If I transpose 2 upon 3, it will get multiplied and reciprocated. 3 upon 2 it will become. So we have x will be equal to 10 3s are 30 divided by 2, which comes out to be 15. The point where the slope of average cost function is minimum is 15. Okay, this is one way of solving this question. Okay, and another can be another method is simple. We are told that to find the level of output where average cost is equal to marginal cost. Average cost is being given us. We need to find out the marginal cost. Okay, but to find out the marginal cost, first we should know the total cost, and total cost is simply average cost times output. Okay, so let's find first total cost is simply average cost times output. Okay, you know this, it is very basic thing here. Average cost is being given us, so to this we multiply. Let us write first x square minus 10x plus 9. To this we multiply x to get the total cost. Okay, so total cost will be equal to 1 upon 3 x square minus 10, sorry, cube is x square plus 9x. Okay, this is our total cost. Find the marginal cost. Marginal cost is simply the derivative of total cost function with respect to output. So derivative of x cube is 3x square, so we get this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. We are left with x square minus derivative of x square is 2x, so 2 into 10 is 20 plus 9. This is our marginal cost, and we equate it, as I told you, we were told to find the level of output where average cost is equal to marginal cost. Okay, so average cost is being given us is 1 upon 3 x square minus 10x plus 9. To this we equate the marginal cost, which is x square minus, rather it is 20, I guess it is x, obviously, x plus 9. Okay, 9 and 9 gets cancelled. If I transpose, okay, let us transpose this term to RHS, so it will become, we have minus 10 x, transpose this minus 20 x here, it will become plus 20 x is equal to, here we have x square, transposing this term it will get subtracted, x square upon 3. Okay, so let us write it here. So this is 3x square minus x square, so we get 2x square divided by 3 is equal to minus 10 plus 20 is 10 x. So dividing both sides by x, because here we have x, here we have x, so we have 2x upon 3 is equal to 10, or x will be equal to 10 into 2 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 2, or x we get equal to 30 divided by 2, which again comes out to be 15. Okay, so the basic trick is, either you take the minimum of average cost, and by minimum we mean the derivative of average cost should be equal to 0 at that point, or you just equate marginal cost with average cost to get the level of output where uh, those MC and ACs are equal. I hope I make myself clear in this video. So the correct option should be D option.